go looking for the gold. Him say you must sieve the dirt first, because apparently gold come in some little small pieces. Him say
Yeah.
you get the sieve and you sieve away the dirt. Get rid of the dirt. Oh, it's the book I was reading. Go for no.
Mm-hmm.
And the more you get rid of the dirt, the more you find the gold. Sometimes the situations that we find ourselves in, it's sieve and get rid of the people and the things
Yes.
that would choke us,
Yes.
right? It gets rid of, and guess what? So it allows you to realize you're resilient. It
Mm-hmm.
makes you realize you're creative. It
Yeah.
makes you realize that, oh, there's so much more to me. I actually had this in me. You know, it
Yeah.
so it may seem sometimes like, man, this dungeon. You know, something else that hit me? A seed. Did you know that a seed has to die first before it start germinate and become a tree?
Exactly.
Look here. It a seed.